October 7th, 2012. We're going to start off with the US dollar Swiss, so USD CHF. I was looking to take this short off of a break of this diagonal, bullish diagonal trend line, coupled with the top here that was created on Friday with the NFP announcement. However, what we're seeing is price is staying above this top, and it's also not penetrating below this bottom, and we have 2 minutes left in the 1 hour candle. So I'm not looking at taking a short here. But however, price will most likely reach this level up here, in which there's really no major top. So I would rather like to see, I would prefer to see a major top, something up here. Look for the short and take it short off of looking at .9396. So if this doesn't work out within the next 3 hours, taking a short off of the .9323, I'm just going to leave this alone. Alright, going into US dollar yen. Okay, we've got a major top over here, 78.86, as well as the low at 78.28. Looking to take a long off this low, but what I don't like about this low is if it reaches this level, it has already broken this diagonal support. So not a huge fan of that. So most likely during this session, I'll be passing up on this pair. Euro US dollar, love this setup, 1.2994. Okay, it's already broken down. It's clearing out the stops of the retail traders. We could break this diagonal resistance, close above the horizontal, and look to take it to the upside at 1.3069, and then further looking at 1.3082, and then final take profit at 1.3169. Pound US dollar, okay, looking at this major bottom, 1.6065, scaling out to see what else. That same bottom was created on September 13th, 2012, so an excellent bottom. We'll then watch for a break of the diagonal, taking it to the upside at 1.6218. Okay, US Canadian, no real major price action here that's leading us to believe that it's going to be headed north or south. However, if it cannot break through this bottom at .9733, which was also created on September 20th as well, looking for a break of this diagonal. Okay. All right, looking at the Australian US dollar, I really don't like this setup, just simply because if we break above this horizontal, the only thing that's holding it up at this point is that horizontal. The thing that I do like about the horizontal, however, is it is a huge bottom that was created on September 5th, 2012. Okay. However, if it does break below, there's really not much holding it up, leading me to believe that it could fall pretty quickly. Okay. So looking at a break of this diagonal resistance on the week before I'm looking at taking any major longs on this pair. Alright, New Zealand dollar to the US dollar. Again, nothing really holding this pair up. We have two supports here, two short-term supports here. However, pair's not looking like a very tradable pair for my system coming into this session. Euro JPY, I do like this, 101.85. Looking at taking a long off this level after the stops have cleared out, and it's broken through this this nice diagonal resistance. Okay, pound yen, again, very similar to the Euro US dollar setup coming into the session. Love this. Nice little short-term bottom coupled with the diagonal resistance. Looking at a break up in this area, take it long on the retest and ride it into 127.80. Okay, AUD/JPY, same situation. Price is trying to break through this diagonal resistance, bouncing off of the 79.74. However, looking at what's holding this pair up, we do have the level at 79.66, so I'd rather see a retest of this major level down here at the 79.65. I'm sorry, redraw that. At the 79.66, then looking for a break and taking it to the upside of around 80.88, taking the full profit on the full position. Euro JPY, again, want to see this test of the 101.84, preferably clearing out the stops, meaning going below and then breaking up through that diagonal resistance. NZD JPY, looking at a retest of the 64.12 and then looking for a break of the diagonal resistance and taking it to the upside.